अनियन जूस फॉर हेयर लॉस। क्या अनियन जूस हेयर लॉस रिड्यूस कर सकता है? What are the different ways in which onion juice can benefit our hair? And onion juice कैसे ये benefits देता है? Then one very important question is onion juice को हमें अपने बालों पे, अपने scalp पे कैसे लगाना चाहिए? Let us discuss all this today in this video with me. My name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I am an American board certified hair transplant surgeon, and please subscribe to this channel for more such educational videos. Benefits of onion juice for your hair and scalp. Number 1, it can decrease hair loss in many of you. Number 2, it can increase luster and shininess on your shaft of hair. Number 3, it can decrease dandruff on the scalp up to a certain extent. Then number 4, it can decrease स्प्लिट एंड्स, जो बाल पीछे की साइड से दो मुहे हो जाते हैं, स्प्लिट हो जाते हैं जिनके एंड्स, अनियन जूस उसको डिक्रीज करता है। देन फिर अगर किसी को बालों में जुए वगैरह है तो अनियन जूस की स्मेल से इट कॉजेज बेनिफिट इन दैट आल्सो। Then studies have also shown it can decrease graying of hair, and then of course it increases keratin and therefore it improves strength of the hair shaft and improves the overall health of the hair. There was a study in 2002 in which it was shown that in cases of patchy alopecia areata, in 6 weeks time, there were people who were given onion juice to apply on the hair and दूसरे group को दिया था plain water. So in the group which was applying onion juice, they had better regrowth, and there was no such regrowth in plain water. So though it is just one study and we need many more studies like this, but it indicates that onion juice is effective in hair growth. Just hit the like button and then we are ready to discuss how onion juice helps in hair loss and scalp. Onion juice is rich in sulfur. Now sulfur is required for protein formation. Keratin, जो हमारे hair की protein है, it also needs a lot of sulfur. So when there is abundant sulfur, abundant keratin is there, and thus it helps in improving the strength of the hair shaft and improving the hair health. Then sulfur also boosts collagen in the scalp, and when collagen is boosted in the scalp, this in turn helps in improving health of the hair roots and the hair gets better. Again, sulfur improves blood circulation on the scalp. जब भी हमारे scalp पे कोई भी चीज blood circulation improve करेगी, तो उस nutrients improve होने की वजह से all the hair roots will get better nutrition and we will have better hair. Onion juice also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, due to which it reduces inflammation on the scalp, soothes it, but in a very low concentration. I'll come to this point that how onion juice should be applied on the scalp. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने onion juice निकाला और apply कर दिया. It may lead to a lot of irritation and onion juice आप फिर कभी use नहीं करोगे. So if you have any more questions, if you want to ask something, you can comment in the comment section below, or we are giving our numbers here. You can WhatsApp us or you can call us for consultation. Now coming to a very important section of the video, how to apply onion juice. Simply, if you crush and grind the onion, you take out the onion juice after straining it. आपने कपड़े में छानकर onion juice ले लिया. Then a plain and simple formula can be 3 tablespoon onion juice and 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Now ये आपको evenly scalp पर लगाना है, कहीं ज़्यादा कहीं कम नहीं. And then one most important thing is use the amount of shampoo only what is minimum. कभी-कभी onion juice के smell को कम करने के लिए people tend to apply more and more of shampoo, which leads to a lot of dryness and frizziness of the hair. So आप अनियन की स्मेल को पहले ही कम कर लीजिए बाय लेमन या बाय कोकोनट ऑयल और बाय एलोवेरा, एंड देन you do the shampooing in the normal way with less shampoo, not more of it. Usually if you pre-oil or pre-condition your hair, you may not be requiring any conditioner after shampooing of hair, or if you at all require a conditioner, use it only for the ends of hair. If you want to learn more about best shampoo for hair fall, please click on the link above. So what should be the take-home message? Onion juice is a natural, affordable home remedy for hair loss. It can improve your hair health. It can improve shininess on your hair. Some people have actually told us that the density, the thickness of their hair improved. एक मेरी patient, she told me कि she was using onion oil honey के साथ, and then she actually showed it to me कि उनका hair का length improve हो गया, उनका hair का thickness भी improve हो गया. But one thing I want to tell you here, that in cases where you have a significant disorder in your hair, some kind of alopecia which needs a doctor's help, do not delay the medical help you can take by home remedies, but get yourself diagnosed and take help of medical therapies before it gets worse. But in mild hair losses, जहाँ पर हमको लगता है कि let us try home remedies, for mild hair losses, onion juice can be used in day-to-day life. Do share this with your family and friends who are having hair loss, and also tell us in the comment section below whether they are getting benefited from it or not, because we really need to see how it's working on you. If you want to see a full guide on how to stop hair fall, please click the video on the right, and if you want to know about hair loss treatment in men and women, please click the video on the left. Thank you.